Grabe. Ang bango ng perfume na to, very light, very fresh, and of course, summer feels yung scent ng perfume na to. So this one guys is if mahilig kayo mag-beach, so yung scent nito is like alam mo yung parang nasa sea breeze ka lang, and of course, meron pa siyang mix of lemon and cedar wood. So ang bango. Gustong-gusto ko yung amoy niya kasi very fresh lang siya and very clean. So, hindi po siya masakit sa ilong. And of course, guys, ang ganda gamitin din ng perfume na to kasi parang alam mo yung parang amoy mayaman. So, amoy mayaman, amoy mabango, ganun yung feeling pag ginamit mo tong perfume na to from Yves Rocher. This one, guys, is Celle d'Azur. So, yung packaging nito, ganito siya. So, ayan. And of course, this one is 100 ml na yung laman. So, for sure, matagal mo na talaga siyang maubos. Grabe, ang bango. Parang nasakop niya yung bango dito sa room ko. And of course, guys, yun nga, hindi po siya masakit sa ilong. So, very light lang yung scent nitong ating Yves Rocher from Celle d'Azur na scent, na perfume. So, ayan, nasa yellow basket ko lang to. Bye!